Are you working hard but still struggling financially? Chances are you're making one of these common money mistakes. Today, I'll share the 5 money mistakes keeping you poor and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Living without a budget. Most people don't track their income and expenses. Without a budget, money slips away without you noticing. Fix. Create a simple monthly budget. Track where every dollar goes. Mistake 2. Relying on just one income. Depending only on your salary is risky. If that income stops, your financial stability is gone. Fix. Build multiple income streams, like freelancing, investments, or side hustles. Mistake 3. Carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt and payday loans eat away at your wealth. Fix. Pay off high-interest debts first and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Mistake 4. Spending to impress others. Buying luxury items just to look rich keeps you broke. Fix. Focus on financial security, not showing off. Live below your means. Mistake 5. Not investing early. Many people wait too long to start investing, missing out on years of compounding. Fix. Start small, invest regularly, and let time grow your money. Avoid these 5 money mistakes, and you'll be miles ahead of most people financially. Remember, building wealth is not about working harder, but working smarter with your money.